Samsung's latest foldable phones, the Galaxy Z Fold 6 and Z Flip 6, are here and they're both vying for a spot in your pocket. But with two distinct designs and features, choosing the right one can be tricky. Don't worry, this video will be your guide to foldable phone glory. Built to last, durability for everyday life. Let's face it, foldable phones are a technological marvel, but durability can be a concern. Thankfully, Samsung has addressed this with both the Fold 6 and Flip 6. Gone are the days of worrying about bumps and scratches. These phones boast tougher armor aluminum frames and improved hinges, making them more resistant to everyday wear and tear. But that's not all. Samsung has also significantly reduced the crease on the foldable screen, a major annoyance in previous models. The crease is still there, but it's far less noticeable, offering a smoother viewing experience. And if you're clumsy like me, here's some good news. Both phones come with an improved IP rating of 48. This means they can withstand dust and splashes without breaking a sweat or suffering a waterlogged circuit board. Sustainable style, eco-friendly innovation. Samsung isn't just focused on durability, they're making a big sustainability push with the Z Fold 6 and Z Flip 6. These phones are pioneers in the foldable market, being the first to incorporate recycled rare earth elements like cobalt into their components. But that's not all. Samsung is also using more recyclable loop glass and plastics in construction. Plus, the packaging is entirely made from recycled paper, so you can rock the latest tech with a clear conscience, knowing you're doing your part for the planet. The Fold versus the Flip, choosing your foldable future. Now let's get down to the nitty-gritty. Which phone is right for you? The Galaxy Z Fold 6. Unfold your productivity. The Z Fold 6 is a productivity powerhouse. When unfolded, it transforms into a near tablet-sized screen, perfect for multitasking, taking notes with the S Pen, sold separately, or indulging in immersive gaming. The larger display also makes it fantastic for content creation. Editing photos, shooting videos, or even running multiple apps simultaneously becomes a breeze. However, the unfolded size can make it a bit bulky for one-handed use. The Galaxy Z Flip 6, the pocket-sized powerhouse. The Z Flip 6 is all about convenience and style. It folds down to a compact size that easily slips into your pocket, making it incredibly portable. The improved cover screen allows you to check notifications, adjust settings, or even take quick photos without unfolding the phone. But don't be fooled by its size. The Z Flip 6 packs a punch. It boasts a powerful processor and a fantastic camera system, making it perfect for everyday use and capturing memories on the go. Beyond durability and sustainability. While durability, sustainability, and design are crucial factors, there's more to consider. Asterisk camera. Both phones have excellent cameras, but the Z Fold 6 might have a slight edge with its larger sensor and potential for multiple lenses. Asterisk battery life. Both phones have decent battery life, but if you're a heavy user, the Z Fold 6 larger battery might be a better fit. Asterisk price. The Z Fold 6 is the pricier option due to its larger screen and more complex design. The verdict. It's all about you. Ultimately, the choice between the Z Fold 6 and Z Flip 6 boils down to your lifestyle and needs. Do you crave a large, tablet-like experience for maximum productivity? Then the Z Fold 6 is your champion. Do you prioritize sleek portability and one-handed convenience? Then the Z Flip 6 might be your perfect match. No matter your choice, both phones represent the cutting edge of foldable technology, offering durability, sustainability, and innovative features. So watch the full video, link in description, for a deeper dive and get ready to unfold or flip the future of your mobile experience. Before you hit that subscribe button, here's a quick rundown of the highlights. Unmatched durability. Both phones are built to last with scratch-resistant and water-resistant designs that withstand life's mishaps. Sustainable innovation. Samsung prioritizes eco-friendliness with recycled materials and eco-conscious packaging. Productivity powerhouse. The Z Fold 6 unfolds into a tablet-sized display for seamless multitasking and content creation. Pocket-sized perfection. The Z Flip 6 packs powerful performance into a compact design ideal for one-handed use. Which phone fits your lifestyle? Do you need a large screen for work and play or a portable powerhouse that fits in your pocket? Join the conversation in the comments below and let us know which foldable phone you're most excited about. Don't miss out on more in-depth tech comparisons and reviews. Like and subscribe for the latest updates.